Hey, another word problem. Here's some advice for you from your old buddy Dave. You better get used to these guys because when a book is written entirely to be about applications of how math is used, it doesn't take a lot of imagination to figure out that you're going to be dealing with a lot of word problems. So as we start to read through this problem and note the useful information as we come to it, we find that the regular price of a refrigerator is $11.49 at Home Depot, which, by the way, I just got back from about 20 minutes ago. Not buying a refrigerator. And $1,219 at Lowe's. Okay, so far we would probably pick Home Depot. Home Depot is offering 15% off. So we'll write that offer of 15% off next to the Home Depot price. Lowe's offers $200 off. Well, if it started at $12.19 and it's $200 off, then a basic subtraction will tell me that $1,019 is the price at Lowe's. Now look at all this stuff that I've done. I've written down information, I've done some work, haven't even read the question yet. Cool. Which is the better option? Well, theoretically that could be open to interpretation, but assuming that you are saying in rational, the better option would mean the lower price since it's the same refrigerator at both stores. Well, we know what the overall price would be at Lowe's. So in order to decide which is the better option, we're going to need to know what is the price at Home Depot. So we're getting 15% off of $11.49. I'm going to show you actually two ways to solve this problem, the straightforward way and the clever way. So one way is to know, or is to figure out what 15% of $11.49 is. That's going to be my discount. So there's 15% in decimal form. Of is my times $1,149. I do the multiplication using a calculator, and I find that the discount is $172.35. Now here's where you just got to be a little bit careful and think. That's not the price. It'd be nice if it was, because that would be one inexpensive refrigerator, but that's the amount of the discount. So the final price is going to be the original price of $11.49 minus the discount of $172.35, and that works out to be $976.65. Making Home Depot the better option if you're strictly concerned about price. Here's another way we could have done this that's just a little bit quicker. Since 15% is being taken off of the price, what's left behind is 85% of the original price. So we could recast the problem as finding 85% of $11.49, in which case we would get 0.85 times $11.49. And not surprisingly, we get exactly the same amount, which is $976.65. So we again see that Home Depot is the lower price option. This just allowed us to calculate the final price directly in one step, rather than having to first calculate the discount and then subtract from the original.